Here is the topper, the 7x8 Courtney mono part. I used to straighten my hair every time I used to go out before, when obviously I lost all my hair, as you can see over here. Now obviously with these toppers I'm able to straighten my hair and look amazing again. I'm gonna take it as front as I can because it's not lace front, and then I'm gonna start closing all the clips, and as you can see it's already looking really good. Now what we want to do is to basically blend it in with our own hair. UniWigs also sent me these wee brushes. Here I'm just gonna pull a little bit at the front there. For you, because obviously you can see a tiny little bit over here, so this is gonna help to blend in as well. And I'm going to apply a little bit at the front over there. There. So there you go, guys. As you can see, this is absolutely stunning. It fits perfect with my length, with my hair color. It feels incredible. One of the things that I like to do the most when I put a topper on is to feel how thick my hair is. So what I like to do is just to grab it and just to grab a ponytail like that and see just the difference. It just feels so thick. The good thing about this topper as well is you can actually do a ponytail. It's just gonna look incredible on you, and yeah, you can do so many things with it. You can brush it, you can do just curl it a little bit. It's absolutely stunning. When I opened the box, I saw the color is exactly the same as mine, which I'm really impressed. The feel is so soft, it's so sleek, so smooth, it's amazing. I have to say the quality is incredible. You can really tell it's real human hair. I mean, you can by the feel, you know if it's plastic or not. And this is Remy human hair, which is obviously the results, like the differences when you try it on, are amazing. The pattern is right in the middle, as you can see over here. We can see obviously the 7x8, so it's covering a large area of your top. And this mesh over here is really nice because this is where the pattern is showing. Also, it has 4 clips over here, and the only thing that you need to do when you put them on is to clip them, is just to push them. There you go, that is them unpushed and open. I hope you really like this video, and I hope you really like this topper as much as I do, because seriously I'm so impressed. It's absolutely stunning. It looks so natural on me. See you again soon. Thank you so much.